Welcome back. All right, I feel sneezy. I'm taking these out because I want the forms for my table, and I wanted to see, yes, how this one came out. Yes, you see that? Hold on. Excuse me. Okay, definitely felt sneezy. All right, so yes, we did a little gold for the, because yeah, she have the glimity and the glamity. And I wanted to see how this would come out because I was oh my gosh. Excuse me. Okay, I need to take my allergy medicine. Crazy. Whew. Oh, come on, get out of there. Okay, brown man. Yeah. Do you want to manifest some masculine presence or energy? Yeah, we got like a hint of like a tan right there, but yeah, back look nice. I'm really doing this unmolding because I yes, want to maximize the space, but I sold a few cigar rests at my last market, and I was like, I have this sitting there, might as well. I can't remember, do I usually take out that side first or this side? Oh, jeez, you know it's tight. Come on. Okay, yes, I think this is the way I usually do it. Ooh, I don't think I've done brown and gold before. I was like, let me see how that's gonna work. I love this. Oh, there's my alarm. Oh, it's 10:30, I gotta go. Yeah, everything in this session is brown or brown and gold. But yes, here for that. And last but not least, if I end up going to this party later, the host, I made this for the host. So yeah, even if I don't, I'm trying to vend with them next Monday, so I still need to take it out, but I'm obsessed. This came out really good. Yes, I don't think I've ever done gold rim rolling tray. I might want to do more. Vanity tray, whatever you want to call it. I really like this. I wish it was darker on the back end, but nobody cares about that. But yes, okay, so it looks like there's like water droplets because there was like some resin sitting there, but it's smooth, and that's really what matters. Oh, this is gorgeous. This is Gorgina. So yes, we got this, and there's a frog in my throat. So here we are. You know, this is the Empress collection, brown and gold. We're calling it Empress because Empress satisfied. Anyways, I gotta get out of here. Thank you so much. Make sure you subscribe to All Things Pointless, and whether you got here on purpose or by fate, thank you for watching this pointless unmolding. Bye.